Okay, today we are doing a detox bath salt mix. So, 2-ounce glass jar, teaspoon of baking soda, and then you fill the rest of the 2-ounce glass jar with the salts. Let's do that. And then the oils that we're going to use today in combination may not smell the best, but the purpose is for detoxing. Detoxing for what, you say? For maybe a night that you went out and you overate and you feel kind of crummy, or maybe you had a few too many drinks, or you feel like you're coming down with something and you have sluggish bowel movements, these sorts of things that keep your body kind of in a slump. So you fill it up. Oh, and then I gotta go grab my oils just a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so we are going to use Digest Zen and 4 drops of that. Again, this is a blend for calming the belly, 2, 4, upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting. That's what Digest Zen kind of encompasses. Lemon is a great detoxifier. It helps pull the toxins and heavy metals out of your system. Where do heavy metals come from? They come from the foods that we eat and the soil that the foods grow in, and then our body has to process that. This binds to the metals and pulls that out. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lemon, 6. Sometimes those drops, when you get towards the end of the bottle, kind of sneak out at you. And then Zendocrine. This has tangerine, rosemary, geranium, juniper, and cilantro. So all of those oils together have a synergistic effect, meaning they work super well together to grab the iniquities, impurities, the toxins from your body and help your lymph system, kidneys, liver drain. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Good. And then I will fill the rest of this jar with the salts. And then again, mix it up. And then you're ready to go. You can use these yourself. You can give these as gifts. If you're having a party and you know that people are going to be overeating and over drinking, you can have these as goodie bags on the way out as a little gift of love. Last night was Thanksgiving. That's why I look a little hammered today. And yeah, I probably could use this myself. Instead of posting a video, I should be going doing a bath. But anyhow, this is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful gift for people, or a wonderful tool to have on hand when you don't feel good. And it takes less than 3 minutes to make. Okay? So, any questions? Comment, and yeah, I hope this is so helpful, and here is to a detox bath. Now go take one.